This is the Songbird, and I don't want to brag, and this is the first time I made jam since I made it on accident. Well, I made jelly on accident in 2012, and I'll tell you, I don't want to brag because I don't brag, but ooh, right now I be getting first prize for this jam right here. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, this right here. This right here is the best. Look at it. Look. And wait till it cools off. It's going to be so good for spreading. Oh, I just tasted it. Oh, so delicious. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Ooh. Look at You talking about good. You ain't had nothing good until you had this. Ooh, this is good right here. I got some jam, a little bit of jelly jam. I don't know. It's in the middle, kind of. I don't know. We won't really know till it cools all the way down. But this right here is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh. You won't believe how good this is when you taste it and make it at home. I didn't put any water. It's a little sticky, the end is. Not a little sticky. It's like candy around the edges of the can. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I only made a little bit. I didn't make a lot. Like I'm not selling it. I just wanted something for me. When I want a sweet tooth, I don't want to go to the store and spend a whole lot of money just to have something good and sweet in my mouth. And with those yeast donuts, I'm going to make with the yeast my daughter gave me today. And I can have my own homemade jelly donuts. Oh my God, my brother loves jelly donuts. My brother Frank, he is a police officer here in Massachusetts. And his only request from me when I was little was the jelly donut. I didn't know how to make them. But I'll tell you, brother, you my little brother, but you now you my big brother because you protect me. So that makes you a big brother too. I'll tell you, I'm going to make you some of these jelly jam donuts. You're going to love them. You're going to love it. You're going to love it, love it, love it, love it. Ooh, I used to get first prize for baking in school since 4th grade when they first started that. When they came to my Washington public school, Booker T. Washington School, public school. Oh, goodness gracious almighty. I asked God to help me with this. Yes, I did, because I'm just me. It just ain't no. I ain't gonna lie and say I didn't look at Google, because I had to remind myself. Because when I made it before, I didn't look it up. I just put some stuff together in the pan and just hope for the best. I only had 2 pieces of fruit. So anybody you ain't gotta have a whole basket full unless you're selling it. I mean, this is for, unless you just want to store it for the winter like you used to in the old days. But that's not what's going on right here. God, this is good. This is, See what's in that pan right there? It's all going, right here. Oh my God, you're talking about delicious. This is so good. Wait, look. It's from the pot right here. I named myself the Queen of Jam.